Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add home button to iPhone skin. So simply click on to enable, then you get home button. Just click on to home, then you go back your home page. So at first open your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on to accessibility, click on to touch, and just click on to enable or disable. Then you get this option, or if you need to customize anything, so I just remove this. So open to select another like action button, okay, or click on to change. So that's it, that's how you can do it.